Hi all, Steve here. In this video I'm going to show you how to gain access to your own ePortfolio and how to find and contribute to your students' ePortfolios. Every member of staff and enrolled student in the college has their very own website, which we refer to as blogs or ePortfolios. These have been set up using the popular WordPress blogging system, which runs almost 40% of the world's websites, so it's a really useful life skill to be able to find your way around it. They've been used for various reasons, such as art galleries for creative industry students, showing plumbing and joinery work, or keeping reflective journals. If you want a more detailed look at how to use your own ePortfolio, upload images and video, create new posts and so on, please watch this video linked up here somewhere before continuing with this video. Links to all the resources I talk about will be in the video description. We'll cover finding your own ePortfolio and logging in, finding your students' ePortfolios and logging into them, contributing to your students' ePortfolio, and what happens at the end of the course. So finding your own ePortfolio and logging in. There are two ways to log into your ePortfolio. For our staff, the easiest way to access your own ePortfolio is via AdminNet. Head to the Learning and Teaching tab, then visit the ePortfolio link in the side menu. In the section titled Your ePortfolio, you'll find a link to log into your own ePortfolio. You may prefer to bookmark the login page of your ePortfolio instead. This may be the easier method if you plan to use your phone or iPad to manage the ePortfolio. To do this, scan the barcode on the screen just now, then add the following to the page which loads. If you type correctly, you should see a screen like this. Add this screen to your bookmarks so that you can find your way back here. Click the Sign In with Microsoft button, then log in using your Office 365 login, email address and password. All of this is explained in the video description as well. If you've successfully logged in, you should be seeing the dashboard page or your home page with this menu showing at the top. Finding your students' ePortfolios and logging into them. If your students are undertaking a project or using their ePortfolios as part of their course, you may want to log into their site to make comments or see posts they've published privately. More on that later. The first job is to ensure that we have added you onto their ePortfolios as a user. To arrange this, please email lt@dumgal.ac.uk or put in a digital services ticket stating that you'd like to be added to student ePortfolios. Please include a course code so that we can find the students. If you've been successfully added to your students' ePortfolios, you can now access them in one of two ways. First, on AdminNet, head back to Learning and Teaching tab to the ePortfolio page. At the bottom in the section Your ePortfolio Students, type in the course code of the students you're managing, then click Get Student List, for example SHHR. A student list will then be generated along with login links for every student. Simply click the links to be transported to the student's ePortfolio. The other method is to log into your own ePortfolio, then hover over the My Sites link. You should see a link to Dumfries and Galloway ePortfolios, your own site, then the names of all the students. You can click to the student's homepage or directly into their dashboard from the links here. Notice that Professor Plum here has only one student, Mooncake, so he can visit the dashboard or site for that student. Contributing to your student's ePortfolio. When you're logged into your student's ePortfolio, you're given the role of editor. This means that you can view their private posts, edit the content, and add posts or comments yourself. Remember, the ePortfolio is the student's own website, so you should check with them if you plan to change anything. To view the student's posts, either scroll through the homepage or click the Posts link in the dashboard, which gives more of an overview of the posts. Here you'll see that Mooncake has a password protected post, which although you can edit it, you should aim not to interact with for privacy reasons. There is also one private entry, which only the student and lecturer can access, and a public post, which can be viewed by anyone with a link to the site. Here's the public view of the home page. Notice that the private post is not visible to public visitors at all, while the password protected post appears with a password challenge. You can leave a comment on an existing post by typing in the Leave a Reply box shown here. You're also able to create a brand new post if you want to provide a more lengthy piece of feedback. You can publish this as private if you only want the student to be able to view it. This will depend on the project and the contents. You can even create a new category if you'll be providing feedback consistently. So what happens at the end of the course? Student ePortfolios will be left available for around 18 months after the end of each session. If the student leaves the college, they'll no longer be able to log in to edit, but the public posts will be available to show to employers and others for a good while. It's possible to save an export file, which can be used to transfer the contents of your WordPress ePortfolio to another host. Some such hosts include FastHosts, Bluehost, and numerous others. We're not being paid to recommend those. We can help with the export of ePortfolios if students express an interest in keeping up with their posts when they leave. Just pop in a ticket to the Digital Services Help Desk and we'll see what we can do. I hope this short tour of the lecturer view of ePortfolios has been useful. Remember to view the longer student view video for a more detailed look at using WordPress. As always, if you have any questions, please get in touch with the Learning and Teaching team, and thanks for watching.